Okay, so just let's directly start by using Lasso. I will press on the extension. And on the YouTube homepage, let's say I want to change the timeline. I want to move it to the right side here. So I can just add a comment and click on this timeline icon, timeline block, sorry. And I can say, can we move the timeline to the right side? Okay, so I will just save this one. Okay, so now the issue is there. Now we need to solve it. Now I will go to my second account where the issue is actually here. Now the issue will come here. Yes, there's one unresolved issue. I will simply go here. And here I got a comment that can we move the timeline to the right side? First of all, it successfully captures a screenshot of it. So it firstly captured the screenshot of it. Now I need to visit the website. So I will visit the website here. Now after visiting the website, I will just go to the Lasso extension. I will click on it. And I can see the comment that can we move the timeline to the right side. Now after I click on this comment, actually it will point out where the issue is. As you can see, it is pointing out here. Now one great thing I really found out about the Lasso is it sticks to the element. As you can see here, it was different video, and here it's a different video with different content, but it just kept the issue to this side. It basically highlighted the block instead of content. That's a really great thing about it. Okay, now let's resolve this issue. Let's say that we need to resolve this issue, and after the issue gets resolved, we can just simply reply that the issue is now resolved. And I can just save it, and I can just tick mark on this resolve icon, and yes, it is done. Now we can go to our Lasso website and just refresh it. And as you can see, there was one total issue and the one is resolved. And we also got a resolved tick mark here. And we also got a comment in the replies here. As you can see here from the second account, the no time waste says that the issue is now resolved. Now I will go to the main account, which actually made the issue. And I will refresh here. And I will go here to in the collection. As you can see, the issue is now resolved. That's really great thing. I can again use it on another website, that is this one. This is my personal made website. So I can say that I just want to change the font size of this label. Okay, so I can say that I will again open the Lasso extension. I will again add a comment and I will highlight this block and I will say that, hey, can you make the font bigger? Okay. The another, I guess, issue I found in this in the Lasso extension is that whenever I press the enter, it just automatically scrolls down the website. Whenever I press enter, it again scroll down the website. Okay, I guess that's one of the issue I found out. The rest is great, and I will save this issue. Now there's an issue, and I will go to my second account where the issue will appear. Okay, so in the collection, as you can see, there is one unresolved issue. I will go here. And here it successfully captured the screenshot. And here we got a comment saying that, hey, can you make the font bigger? Okay, let's see if we can make it bigger or not. And we will visit the website by clicking here. Okay, the website is loaded and now I will resolve this issue by making the font bigger. I will just go to the inspect tab and I will just make the font size big. Okay, so the font size got bigger, right, than the original one. Now I will go to the Lasso extension. I will say the issue is now resolved. Please check if the font size is appropriate. Okay, now I will save this one and I will mark the issue as resolved. Now I will go to again to the Lasso website. I will refresh it, and now it is saying that the issue is now resolved. And there's one reply from our side that the issue is now resolved, and please check whether the font size is appropriate according to your size. Now let me go to my main account and let me just again refresh it. And I will go to the second issue. The YouTube issue is already resolved. Now this is the second issue of us, that is, can you make the font bigger? Now let me just see the reply that the issue is now resolved. Please check if the font size is appropriate. And I can say that the font size is perfect. Okay, I'll reply it. And I can see that here is my reply. And I can go to my second account and I can just refresh it. Now I can see the two replies here, the one from my side and the one from the another side. That's really great. Now, the some of the issues I found in the Lasso is the first of all this visit page label. The visit page label is in really small font size. I really wanted it to be a big font size so my eyes can directly go on the label. Okay. And the site should be in, I guess, in blue or in dark blue color so it can point out, because if you look at normally, it's really hard to see this font. It's really hard to see. It should be big and it should be colored so I can see it properly. And yeah, it's really cool. I'll say it's really cool extension that now if I have any let's say suggestion from a friend, or yeah, suggestion from a friend, he can just go to my website and he can just point out that, hey, can you make this bigger and can you make this smaller or can you move this thing here and there. So overall, I find this extension to be really good and really helpful.